Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for clicking this video. And in today's video we are going to talk about how to boost your self-confidence, or how to help people who are around you to boost their own confidence. So let's go directly into the video. So step number one is stop comparing yourself to others. Okay, so social comparison theory states that comparison is natural, but it's not healthy. The point here is it's not healthy, guys. And for everyone out here to be functioning well, you need to be healthy. So you need to understand that everyone is running their own races, and life is not a competition. You need to compete with yourself, not with others. So currently in the social media pressure is becoming worse. You see out there people of your age driving big cars, owning big mansions, traveling around the world. You don't know who are paying their expenses and their bills, and you are out there competing with them. Don't you see that will drain you and will lower your confidence very, very low? You will see yourself as if you have achieved nothing in life, and yet you have your small things that you have achieved. So please stop comparing yourself out there. If someone posts his or a picture that is out there enjoying their life, please just, if you don't want to be, what am I going to say? If you don't want to lose your confidence or to be depressed, you can just unfollow, or you can just scroll, and you keep telling yourself that you can do that and you can go far. So you stop comparing yourself and run your own races. And then point number two, or step number two, is that surround yourself with positive people. Okay, so take a moment. So guys, this story thing. So take a moment to think how your friends make you feel, and do they lift you up, or do they bring you down, or constantly keep judging you, or do they accept you for who you are? Okay, so, and those people you spend time with influence your attitude and thoughts. The point here is attitude and thoughts. So if you surround yourself with people who always judge you, like, you did this is wrong, don't do this again, you need to cut those people off. Or if you have those friends who are always talking negative about something, maybe you want to do something, but they are always telling you, with that your confidence, with that personality, no one will support you, no one will come to your, maybe if it's business, no one will come to your business. You have bad attitude, you have bad personality, you will naturally feel more confident. Something helps to calm your mind, your soul, your spirit, your body. You can even decide to meditate, like in the evening or in the morning, during the day, according to your timetable. You can decide to meditate. Meditation really helps, guys. And then you can decide to sleep. So even if you lack enough sleeping, guys, you will lose confidence, because you will not be able to concentrate on the things that you are doing. And once you lose concentration, people may start provoking you, like, why did you do this? Why are you doing this? You are not qualified? You see such things. So you need to take care of yourself. Even sleeping is taking care of yourself. Okay, guys, and there are so many things that you can do to take care of yourself. It depends on what works for you. Some can take a walk, nature walk. Some can go for a park. Some can go for mount hiking. Some can travel, some can even want their own time. So whatever works for you guys, go for it. And then another thing, so this is point number 4, be kind to yourself, guys. Here, this one, you need to be kind to yourself. Don't be harsh, don't be cruel, don't be numb to pain, guys. Here, currently, according to statistics and research, they are saying that young generation becoming, not even young, people become numb to pain, and once you become numb to pain, you can do anything bad to yourself. Okay, so don't become numb to pain. Act jipende, like you know what I'm saying. So be kind to yourself means that self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness. You see there, you treat yourself with kindness, and when you make mistake, when you fail or experience a setback, it allows you to become more emotionally flexible and help you navigate better challenging emotions. Okay, guys? So when you become kind to yourself, hey guys, like you become kind to yourself, you fail, and then you comfort yourself. You'll be like, oh, next time it will be better. Next time I will do this and this to make sure it works. Don't be those people like, if you fail, it's the end of everything. You feel like jumping, you feel like dying, you feel like covering yourself with a pillow the whole day, the whole night. You don't want to talk to anybody. Use that as a point of helping yourself to navigate challenging emotions. Okay, you became so kind to yourself, you comfort yourself, tell yourself good things, like take time to talk to yourself and to treat yourself okay. If something fails, don't put every blame to yourself. Oh, maybe if I could do this will work. Or maybe if I did this could work. No, it has failed, it has failed. Don't put any blame to yourself. Be kind to yourself, treat yourself okay. Tell yourself it's gonna be fine. Okay, my guys, yeah. And then another point number 5 now. I hope guys we are together up to there. You practice positive self-talk. You see now, you practice positive self-talk. Let's give it a try. Okay, guys. And then we're going to number 6. Face your fears. Here's the big say, I'm good. For example, me, I'm good at cooking, speaking, and many more things. And maybe you're also good at singing, you're also good at athletics, good at poetry, artists, such things, guys. You take something that when people will be out there looking for someone, everyone will know, you're looking for a cook, she's the best cook. You see? So do things that you are good at. Don't go to try things that you are not even capable, you don't even know how they are being done. Once you try and they fail, you will be out there blaming yourself. Oh, why did I choose that? I wish I could choose this. So evaluate yourself, get to know what you are good at. For example, if you are good at athletics, go for it. Practice it. People will be out there saying, oh, she's good at this one, let's give it to her. And that one will boost your confidence. You will be out there saying like, don't you know that I'm good at cook? You see, guys, so do things that you are good at. So you believing in your ability to build on your personal strength is moderately related to life satisfaction level. Yeah, you believe yourself, you can cook, you cook good, people glorify you and praise you, you feel good, your confidence gets boosted. You be like, hey, me guys, I'm good at cooking, yeah, or I'm good at motivational speaking, or I'm good at teaching. You see such things, guys. So you choose something that you are good at. Even if you are good at 3 things, 4 things, choose that. So we are on point number 8. And hey, this one, it's very, very tricky. So it says that know when to say no. Saying no to activities that tend to keep your self-confidence is okay. There is nothing wrong knowing your boundaries and sticking to them. Setting social and emotional boundaries enables you to feel safer psychologically. So guys, when saying no, this is something very, very hard. Know when to say no. Like, don't be those people you want to say yes just to please them. This one will keep your confidence low because they are the ones who will be feeling pleasure, but you are here struggling, like the guilty. After you've done it, you are just alone thinking, hey, why did I say yes? I wish I could say no. Please, let's practice saying no. For example, if you are not okay going to club, drinking, partying, and your friends are that type, learn to say no. You cannot just go there drinking milk while they are drinking wine or other things. Say no. You better stay at your lane. Stay alone. Think that they are out there, but I'm not with them. I can do something that will help me boost my confidence. When you say no, you about self-confidence, and it starts with mind. Yeah. So once it sticks to your mind, you feel confident. You feel like, oh, so I can do this and it works. So let me keep going, and then you go step by step, reaching to those big dreams. Okay, guys, and then I have a bonus point, or let's say it's a conclusion. And it says that everyone struggles with confidence and issues at one time or another. So don't be out there thinking you're just alone. All of us have struggled with confidence, even if it's way back. Some it's currently, some, just know that you're not alone. So many people out there are struggling about confidence. So keep doing it as a baby step. And then the several things you can do to boost your self-confidence. In many cases, learn to act confident can actually help you face more confidence. So you also need to learn to act confident. Okay, guys. When you act confident, it also gives you it sticks to your mind and your spirit. You'll be like, I'm very, very confident, I can do this. So guys, I felt so good, and I researched about this topic. Someone also told me, can you please do this topic of how to boost confidence? So you can also try this, and if it works, please don't forget to come and tell me it works. Step by step, you're gonna be there. And thank you so much for watching this vlog till the end. I know you've liked it, you've commented, you've shared with your friends and families and everyone who is struggling with confidence out there. I hope you've enjoyed and you have learned something. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.